Are you a go-getter and you are ready for 2025 to be your breakout or your breakthrough year in your business? If you're a professional entrepreneur, coach, consultant who's established, you work in the B2B space and you are ready for big things, then I want to invite you into this free VIP virtual masterclass where I'm going to help you map out your game plan with high impact proven strategies to add $200,000 to $1 million in 2025. So if you're ready to play bigger, to go all in, to surround yourself with people who are big thinkers, big doers, and action takers, and learn the proven system and strategies that can help you make these big financial leaps in your business, then apply to attend this free workshop now. Now, here's the deal. It is for people who are established in their business. You're excellent at what you do. You've already had great results with clients, or you deliver great services, but you're ready to play a bigger game and you don't want to give away all of your time. You actually want a business model that's simpler and you want strategies that can scale you faster. Well, if that's you, then this is for you. So here's what you do. Click the button to apply. You'll book a quick 10-minute call with us. We'll just get to know you. We'll make sure that your business is in the right place for the strategies that we'll be teaching. And if that is the case, then we will invite you to join us in the room. This is a 2-day event. It is 3 hours each day. I promise it will be the best use of your time, probably that you invest into your business all year. In fact, missing this event could mean losing out on hundreds of thousands of dollars, or maybe even that $1 million. So if you're really a go-getter, you're ready to do big things, then apply to attend now. And we can't wait to talk to you. See you on the inside. Have an amazing day. Let's crush it in 2025. Let's go. Apply now. I'll see you soon.